Let's make one social media post. To begin with, file, new. I'm taking a size which is square, say 1080 pixels by 1080 pixels. Resolution 70 and color mode RGB because we are doing it for digital. Let's write social media banner. Okay. So this is my window where I'm working. Double click the background and open the layer. So now it becomes layer 0. Let's give this layer a background color. Here you have two options, foreground and background. These are two handy options to set your colors. Say for example, I want a color this, and in background I'm just choosing two colors just to keep handy. Could be black, white, it could be whatever colors you want. Now if I want this particular color here on my window, I'll press Alt Backspace, which is a shortcut. If I want the background color which is here on this window, I'll press Control Backspace. In Mac, Command Backspace. So I'm doing Alt Backspace. Let's put some offer maybe. Let's go to text. I go to text. Now my text color and my background color is same. So from here top, I'll change the text color. Buy one, get one. Now if you want to increase the size, when you take a text layer, it automatically gets onto a new layer. So this is my background layer and this is my text layer. Let's try to put some images. Say Mintra. Bags. Let's put two images, buy one, get one. I'm saving this particular image. Let's go back to Photoshop. File, place, to get that particular image here. Now this image has a background which we don't want. We just want this back. So we need to make this image a PNG image, which is called Portable Network Graphics. From here, go to this Magic Eraser tool. In Eraser tool, when you right click, you get three options: eraser, background eraser and magic eraser. Go to Magic Eraser tool, click somewhere here. It will say to rasterize. Okay, click here. So when I clicked, all that part which was white is gone. See this, I did Control Z just to show you again, and I'm putting tolerance, how clearly you want to remove it. So this is removed. Now still it has some clicking out here. I clicked on here, so this color got removed. So you need to click on the color, which color you want to remove. Now I'll put this tolerance 10 and then try. I'll have to actually click. See. So to clean it more clearly, we have to try some more. So I actually have to click on white color to get this removed. Another option for this is you can also create or clear this thing like a proper brushing, a proper eraser tool as well. If I want, I can properly do this as well, but usually takes time. So there are multiple tools for multiple options. Let's try one. We can also select this particular layer, particular area. Say Magic Wand tool. I click here. So now this is selected. So if you see, this is selected. I just went here, I clicked on magic wand tool, whichever you'll have to press on the color which you want to select. So it'll create a small window of what all exact color is there just nearby to it. So I'm pressing delete button. So now this is pretty much clear. So since it was not really clear with background eraser, this particular part, I tried choosing this magic wand tool. It selected that particular area and then I pressed delete. Now I want to resize this bag. I pressed Ctrl T or Command T for Mac, and I've resized. Enter. I want to put one more bag because we are showing buy one get one. I'll press Ctrl J or Command J to duplicate. Now you see there are two bag layers. Just move one, you'll see two. So I'm putting buy one get one. Now I want this buy one get one size to be increased. Let's increase this. Now I want to place it something different. Let's say buy, I want to enter. Buy one, get one. Make sure there is sufficient spacing so the text can be read out. I selected all using Ctrl A, Command A. So here I've put buy one get one. Now I want to change this color of only one. Let's try and do that, or maybe I just want to give one variation. Click on one. Let's take color from bag. Now taking a little darker side or a brighter side. Let's see. So if I want to change any particular text color, I just have to select that text and change the color. Say here I'm taking color. Now I want to take the same color which I had put it here. Select this. Okay. So we just did buy one get one, and we placed two objects. Now I want to again make a button. Go to this rectangular marquee tool. Take a layer. Now take another layer so that this button doesn't comes on existing layer. Let's give it some color. Say for example I want color this. Alt backspace, Command D or Control D. Now let's put some text. Shop now. Now I have to change this color to a different color so it doesn't clashes, and reduce the size to fit in the box. So here we go. We have two bags. We have come up with shop now. Whatever colors I want to change, I can. Now I want to change this particular color. Everything is on one layer, like layer 1, layer 2, layer 3. So we can change it anytime. Now if I want to change this particular color of shop now button, double click the layer window. You see this window here. Double click here. Go to color overlay. And from here you can actually choose whichever color you want. Say I want a gray tone. Let's go to gray tone. So I've come up to this gray tone particularly. Okay. Now I want to change the shop now color. You can also right click and find out the layers where it is. Go to again text and select shop now, and then you click here. So simple creative, what we made is buy one get one, and two products and shop now. Let's also put a logo. So I want to put this logo. Let's see. Let's search it on Google. Logo PNG. PNG, why? Because we want a portable network graphic. Go to images. Let's see if it is PNG, or else we can create it in Photoshop. Save image as. It's a JPG image, so we'll have to convert it to PNG. Let's try some more. Also, we can remove backgrounds, that is easy. So there are a lot of logos, but not the one which we are finding. Let's try this. So again, this is a JPEG image. Then we can use the same one which we already did, but we want Myntra and both the things to come. This is PNG image. Let's try. Go to Photoshop, File, Place. Go to here. So now I have this Myntra here. I am resizing it because I don't want this big logo. This much is okay. Enter. Now if you see, my Myntra layer and buy one get one are overlapping, so I need to bring this layer on top. So Myntra is above now. So if I want to place it somewhere here in the top, Control T, let's resize till it's big. I'm going to put it here. So we've done Myntra, buy one get one, shop now. Now if I want to move the shop now and button together, click Control or Command, select both the layers, shop now and layer 1. Now you can move both these layers together wherever you want to put it. You want to put it like this, you put it like this. So bag is overlapping now. And how to save this particular image? File, save as, Photoshop, social media banner. And one would be file save as JPG. Now if I see my desktop, I have this file PSD. PSD will open in Photoshop. PSD is Photoshop document. So whenever now I want to make edits, more edits in this, I can make easily. And that's my JPG, the final output which is here. So this is an image which has buy one get one, shop now, 2 objects, PNG objects and a logo. That's how you have to make one creative.